Hello aspirants, I am Indumati Karthikeyan from NCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about what are the important CSAT strategy. First of all, you should know about the CSAT. Actually, CSAT is mainly a qualifying paper in the UPSC examination. So you need 33% or 66 mark out of 200. That is a 33% is around 66 marks. So you have to need only 66 marks. It's also not taken in account, it's only a qualifying paper. And also you have to made attempt 80 questions in 2 hours. That is a major important thing. It will around only 80 question, not like GS around 100 question, but it will be 80 question in 2 hours. Each correct answer you will get a 2.5 marks, but wrong answer it will reduce your minus 0.83 marks. So that is a major important crucial step. Here the wrong mark is minus 0.83. So you have for CSAT you can eliminate even if you score 130 plus in GS. Many toppers have failed here due to overconfidence. Don't use your overconfidence. You should at least qualify your paper. That is very much important. And for the breakdown of this CSAT, mainly you should know what is the strategy by section. First of all, that is reading comprehension is a main important crucial section. You should focus on the central theme of the that paragraph, and also you have to tone of the author. What is that critically sarcastic and factually what are he saying? First of all, you should realize, you should interference and versus fact. You should eliminate clearly wrong option first, then choose the most balanced one. That is only the strategy for the reading comprehension. For reading, reasoning and logical ability, you can go for blood relation topics, direction topics, coding, decoding, puzzle, seating, syllogism. These are the things will definitely give you the scoring mark. So should not leave these things. You should definitely do this logical ability. That will be definitely give you the good answer. And also there is a statement and assumption also come in that section. So you have to do the less calculation, more logic, ideal, and it is a non-math background. So you should think and write that things. And also you have the numerical ability in this. So you have the topic like time and work, time, speed, distance, ratio, percentage, profit loss, average, mixtures, basic algebra, geometry, data interpretation. So if you work very much, if you not more confident, don't do that. If you are weak in maths, skip the tough ones, because algebra, mensuration, these will definitely need a practice. And also target the easy question like percentage, average, ratio. So for numerical you can go for percentage, average, ratio. So don't spend more than 2 minutes for any question. So per question you can take only 2 minutes. That's very much important for your exam, because CSAT will be a time consuming one. You have to carry forward, you have to take full strategical plan, then only you can get a qualifying marks in your CSAT paper. You have for the CSAT the weightage. You should know the weightage. What will be the weightage of the CSAT section wise? The reading comprehension will cover 30 to 35 questions. For reasoning and logic it will cover 20 to 25 questions. Basic numeracy is around 20 to 25 questions. This is the section wise weightage for your CSAT paper. First of all, how to attempt the CSAT? First of all, you have to attempt easy comprehension first, then go for the easy logic max questions. First you have to concentrate more on the comprehension, then mark tough lengthy ones for review in the last 30 minutes. So you have to finish the short paragraphs first, then you go for the tough and lengthy paragraph. Aim to attempt around 50 to 60 question to get the 27 question correct. So that is a major important thing. So you have to concentrate more on that and get 27 correct answer. Thank you so much.